Hello everyone, welcome to CraftingWheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet double heart, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Jabor silk fur yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make 24 chains, then close with slip stitch to make a ring. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make 2 chains and make 2 half double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Then make half double crochet into the next 4 stitches as shown now. And make the half double crochet increase into the next 5 stitches as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch as shown now. Then yarn over again and insert hook into the next stitch and yarn over, then pull through and yarn over again and pull through 2 loops to have 4 loops on the hook as shown now. Then skip next chain and yarn over, then insert hook into the next stitch, then yarn over again and pull through to have 6 loops on the hook. Then yarn over again and pull through 2 loops to have 5 loops on the hook as shown now. Then yarn over again and insert hook into the next stitch. Then yarn over again and pull through once to have 7 loops on the hook Then make a cluster, yarn over and pull through all 7 stitches as shown now to make the cluster, increase as shown now. Now I arrive to the half of that heart, then I will make the second half of the heart, so I will make half double crochet, increase into the next 5 stitches as shown now. That is second in half double crochet increase, and that is third half double crochet increase, and that is fourth half double crochet increase, and that is the fifth and the last half double crochet increase. With the shape of that a little heart. Then continue making half double crochet into the next 4 stitches as shown now. Then make half double crochet increase into the base of 2 chains where this round started as shown now. Then join with slip stitch into the 2 chains as shown now. Then I will make a chain and make slip stitch all the way around, including into the first chain, if needed, to bring you to the tip of the heart as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished a little heart. Don't cut our yarn, then continue to making the big heart. I will make 29 chains as shown now. Then join to the little heart at the bottom tip of the heart with a slip stitch as shown now. Then I will yarn over and pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over again and pull up through all loops as shown now. Then make another 29 chains for the second half of that heart and join to the little heart at the bottom tip of that heart with slip stitch. Then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet into the base of 2 chains, and the little heart are joined as shown now. Then make double crochet into the next 10 stitches. Then I will make double crochet increase into the next stitch. And make double crochet into the next and repeat that group 7 times. I mean with that group with double crochet increase, then double crochet, then double crochet increase, then double crochet, and repeat that group 7 times as shown now. Now I finished 7 times. And I will make double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then I will yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch and yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to have 2 loops on the hook, then repeat that to have 3 loops on the hook, then skip the join and yarn over, then insert hook into next stitch as shown now. Then yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to have 4 loops on the hook as shown now. Then repeat that again to have 5 loops on the hook. Now I have 5 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook as shown now to arrive to the middle of the little heart and the big heart with the sheep. Then do the first part in reverse for the other side of that heart. Then I will make double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then make double crochet into the next stitch to start the group. I made double crochet, then make double crochet increase. That's first group. Then I will repeat it 6 times more to have 7 groups of it as shown now, as we made for the first half of that heart. I made 7 groups with the sheep. Then I will make double crochet into the next 10 stitches. Then I will make 2 double crochet into the base of 2 chains and the little heart are joined as shown now. Then close with slip stitch. Then make a chain and make slip stitch all the way around. Then cut our yarn and fasten off. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished the crochet heart, double heart, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please do subscribe and share and like the video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.